In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book paid meetings with Calendly and Stripe. This guide will walk you through the steps needed to integrate these powerful tools, allowing you to manage your appointments seamlessly while processing payments through Stripe. So, let's get started and ensure you have your Calendly account set up for success. First, head over to the Calendly website. Simply open up your browser and type in calendly.com, where you'll be directed to their welcome page. Calendly offers a hassle-free way to manage appointments, and today, we'll enhance that feature by integrating it with Stripe. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a Login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to access your Calendly account. This step ensures that you're ready to make further configurations. Now, once you're logged in and you see your Calendly homepage, what's next is to navigate towards setting up our integration. Look for the Integrations and Apps section. This can usually be found in the navigation menu or under your account settings. Clicking this will take you, as the name suggests, to a page where you can enhance your Calendly experience by linking it with various third-party applications. Now, it's time to search for Stripe. Stripe is the payment processor we're going to use to facilitate charging for meetings. Within the Integrations page, you'll typically find a search bar. Type Stripe into it. This action will display Stripe as one of your options. After you find Stripe, it's crucial to note the steps for connection, not forgetting to handle any needed authorizations or permissions it might require. Integration with Stripe should allow you to charge meeting fees, making the process efficient and straightforward for both you and the attendees. Furthermore, after configuring Stripe, let's take a look into setting up how you want your meetings to take place. On the same page, look for Location among the options. Clicking on Location allows you to define where or how your meeting will occur, whether it's physically at a particular address or online. For online meetings, click on Zoom. Calendly can sync beautifully with Zoom, making it a preferred choice for virtual meetings. By linking your Zoom account, you ensure that all your meetings are directly scheduled with Zoom, saving precious time and minimizing logistical mix-ups. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to booking paid meetings with Calendly and Stripe. With Calendly managing your appointments and Stripe handling payments, you can focus on what truly matters: conducting successful, revenue-generating meetings. Don't forget to revisit your settings occasionally to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes your scheduling life easier than ever.